be smoking while you talking. You know you could do it.
Thank y'all for watching. You gonna have to do so much editing. I done fucked up big time. I just want her to know. She did my baby hair.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, she did. She did. Okay. Hey unicorns, how y'all doing? It's your girl Nita Bad on the ones and twos, and I'm coming for you today. I'll be doing a voiceover for my girl Unique Techniques over a video that she done for me a while back. As you can see, she slay. But before we get up into that, let's talk about what I look like before I came now. That's bad. I didn't even know I looked like that. I asked this girl, could she give me a touch up, right? And she took the whole wig off. She said, no, ma'am. So she took the wig off, and as you can see, she's applying the cap. Sorry. She's applying the cap, and we just over here having a little girl talk, talking about how them folks did me, how they put that wig on my head. I ain't gonna say no names, but the end of the lace was over my ear. I was walking around the entire time on the side of my ear, burning. Did not know the lace was over my ear, so I don't know if that person was just tired that day, but it was enough for me. So I asked her to do me up, and she took the wig off, and she did her thing, y'all. But yeah, she's applying the glue, 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 glue. She applied a lot of motherfucking glue, y'all. She did her shit though. Now she applying the foundation. As you can see, it's blending very well with the skin. It's giving very much bald. It's giving very much ooh-wee. Yeah, she had to cut the back of that. She needed that. Just kidding. Y'all see. Now she putting a wig on my head. She funny. We just laughing the whole time, y'all. But yeah, I must have something on my nose. I'm just low key probably smelling like, yeah, what's the fuck? But anyway, yeah, she's sticking it on up there. She was giving me a high ponytail, but I end up changing my mind about it. And she's still applying more glue. Yep. Stickity stick, baby. Yep. 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 Cause you really just do it glue, so I don't know what to say. she applying glue, and we just talking. She right beside me too, y'all. And I'm still talking. We still having great talk, and she's applying more glue, and that's just to secure, the wig. If y'all don't, however y'all do it, everybody apply wigs differently, but it definitely did your girl justice. Yep. I'm talking fast. Real fast. And she said, yep, applying more glue. Yep. And like I say, she secured the head. It didn't go nowhere. It didn't go nowhere. What they say, my hair don't move. My hair, it don't move. And it did. Period. That glue did what it was supposed to be did. Yep. And she applying how many layers? We're gonna say a lot. But it definitely got the job done. And also when she sell hair care, facial products, skincare, bunnies, wigs, t-shirts, hoodies, etc., etc. And she's laying down my hair now and styling it. I was a little confused. I didn't know if I wanted the ponytail or the side part or the middle part. But I end up going with the side part. She's laying down my baby hairs now and doing what she do when she do it. Yep. And she's cutting, twirling, doing her thing. Yep, swooping away. Swoop it away. Get my baby hairs. And as you can see from right there, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Getting me right. Getting them baby hairs. Let's get them baby hairs, babe. Let's get them baby hairs. Let's get them baby hairs, babe. Let's get them. Yep. And she's. What did you use anyway for the baby hairs? Spray. Damn. Gots to be spray. Gots to be more careful. But yeah, y'all see it. Look at me. Look at it. I'm talking about the lace look like my skin. Looks just like my skin. Let's get into it. Look at the hair. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like I said, I didn't know what I wanted. A high ponytail. Side part, middle part again. And we just getting it decide. Yeah, I know how it is. Decisions when it comes to us women. It be hard when it comes to styles and hair and all that. But y'all go and book with my girl, UnekeTechniques.com, baby. I'm sorry. What is it?
That's it.
Why you shake your head then? I'm thinking I'm wrong and shit. Y'all excuse her. Yeah, she got that hot comb. I was scared, y'all. Ooh, please don't burn me. I was scared. Ooh, I was scared. I was scared of hot combs, y'all. I'm scarred for life from my mama. I was one of them chillings in the in the kitchen, y'all. See, I ain't know. I was cute though. Ooh, I ain't know what I wanted. Ooh, hold on. Let me style it. Hold up. Let me see. Hold up. Ooh, boom. That's what it came drawn out to be now. Look at it. And now she's putting the mousse on there, laying it down, giving it that extra, shine and that wet look. Always going for the wet look when you're doing deep wave. But that is loose deep wave. Loose deep wave, and that's 26 inches. Yep. And I'm already feeling myself. Ooh. And she using the Acarud to get some of that. I don't know what she was using the Acarud for. But as you can see, that's the end results. Booyah. She slayed your girl. What she said, she didn't start it, but she damn sure finished it. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. Look at it. Yep, get with her. Why did I say that? And I already made an outro. You have to delete that. I need to say that over. This. You gotta turn it back where it was.
Oh,
you got me looking
Let me
dark.
see.
I was looking light skinned. Hold on.
You ready? You want another position? What we doing?
A white background, bitch.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh.
Hold up.
I wish I had my director's cut.
Go week. Cause bitch, how many takes we doing? Fucking with me.
Next time I know.
Hold up. Hold on, bitch. You said next time I know. So you got one for real, hoe?
Yeah, I do.
Go! She got everything, y'all. This hoe got it all. Girl.
Yep.
Girl. That bitch said you. You already know what the fuck I'm talking about. Oh, God. I thought I was talking to myself. She got me. Guess what? I'm high, so I'm going to let her kick this shit. She going to do what she do. Do what you do, baby. Hold up.
Okay, then, friend. Light it up.
Light it up. As you can see, I already been lighting y'all. I'm sorry. So, okay, what this one is?
The outro. You can be like, just thank y'all for watching my girl video. Our video.
Thank y'all for watching our video. Please like, share, hit subscribe. Hit the bell. That little diggity. Yep. Hit that. Oh, yeah. Also, follow me on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok. Dan4. Or _4. Was it underscore or just a 4?
I don't know. I'll put it on there for you.
Yeah. And it's going to be Dan. You going to see me out. Huh? Bye.
Nah.
Ooh. I'm sorry. How I started over.
Thank you guys for watching our video.
Okay, that's it. Come ding it again. Okay. I think that will hypnotize me. Thank y'all for watching our video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, hit that diggity bell. And also follow your girl on, I don't even say all that correctly, but follow me on TikTok. Ding 4. Thank y'all for watching. Tune in for the next video. Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Also, hit that diggity bell. Bye.